Hello and welcome to this new video. This time we will be doing the additional task 1. I've called it a mix of tasks because it's a mixture of multiple tasks we've discussed in this course. It's part of my Audit Basics course on my channel. You find the video also on my channel. So let's jump right in. First is about text. I have here the first paragraph from the Wikipedia article about EY, as it's like an audit firm. And first task is to substitute in this text all the A's against 9s. I don't know why, I've just did it. Here, global limited trading as all, now with a 9 instead of an A. We should search the first occurrence of the word Deloitte inside this text. It's coming on the 181 spot. They were talking here about the Big Four. How long is this text in total? It's 463 characters long. For the first 10 characters, we take the left function. For the last characters, we take the right function. Alright. 10. What are the first 10 characters from the middle of the text? So here mid of this text, our start number is now the length of the text divided by 2. And number of characters, we want to have 10 characters. Now the word is accounting. Replace the text space with an and sign. You could use here either substitute, replace space with an and sign, or you could use here text split, split by this text by the space. You will get here in spill error and then join it together. Text join it together with an and sign as in the limiter. And you see it's basically the same as you do here with the substitute. Now you could do this last one where you should replace spaces and commas with a substitute, a wrapped substitute. First we replace space with nothing, and then we take this as our text for another substitute where we replace commas with nothing. You could also use this, do this in a single substitute with those curly brackets, comma and space with nothing. It's sorry. I think I then need also here. It has worked before. Why isn't this working? I don't know. It's the presentation effect, you know. Or you could use here a text split and a concat and a substitute, everything you want together to get this task done. Now let's do some some lookups. Here I have a list of the 500 fastest supercomputers, and we want to have some data from it. The name of the fastest supercomputer from Germany, we search, as this is sorted by the speed, we search for Germany in the country column, returning the name. And here it's Jules from the Forschungs Science Center in Jülich. And we can track this easily down to get also the fastest computer from Russia and the United Arab Emirates. This isn't like the newest list, it's like a list from 2003 or something. Now, the row of the fastest computer with more than 96 cores. Xmatch for this. Inside course per socket, and we want to have exact net match or next larger item. I should write this properly. And we have here row number 21. It's the Shahin 3 from Saudi Arabia. Now we can also track this down. For the other stuff, we have here 2 times row 12, which is per matter from the, I don't know, UE Department of Energy here. Now, the processor technology of the fastest computer from a country and a manufacturer, in this case we do an XLOOKUP, for Germany and HP Enterprises, for country and manufacturer, returning the name. Do we want to have the name? No, the processor technology, sorry. Processor technology, it's here. And in this case, it's a AMD Zen 2, and we can track this down. Intel Sapphire and this Intel Ice Lake. And here, as you know, may not know, you can do an XLOOKUP for multiple criteria if you concat it with an AND sign. The number of cores of the last computer in this list from Germany. So here an XLOOKUP for Germany, returning, searching in the country column, returning the number of cores. I hope it's the total number of cores. And we want to have the last, so we go here to the search mode and search from last to first. Yeah, and we can track this down. And so in a few minutes you can solve the lookup tasks here. Now we're staying at the same table, at the same data, but in a different table, and do a little bit of statistics. In this case, we want to sum all the cores from computers from Germany. Sum range is total number of cores. Criteria range is the country. And we want to have this for the German computers. So here 4 million cores. And we can track this down for also the Russian and the United Arab Emirates computers. The number of all computers from Germany on this list. We don't count FS. Criteria range is the country, and we want to have this for Germany. 36, and we can track this down to get it for the other countries. 7 and 1 in the United Arab Emirates. The number of all computers from some country with more than that much sockets. I hope it's more and not more or equal, but let's see. COUNTIF as criteria range is first the country. Criteria is a country. And then the range is the cores per socket. It's here. And we want to have an larger than 64. Yep, it is only 3 computers. And as we have this dynamic, we can track this down and also determine this for the other computers from the other countries. So that much about statistics. Now we're coming to the question of all questions. Are you or is something? Now, is a formula in the cell? Is formula in here? Yes, because here is a formula. Is an error in this cell, even if this formula is spelling like an error out? Is an error in this cell? Is error, in this case, yes. Is this number even? Yes. Is this number even? We can track this down. No, it's false. 45 is odd. Is this number odd? No, because 78 is even. It's not determining the comma or the point. Is this number odd? Yes, because it's 77. Is text in this cell? Is text in this cell? No, only numbers. Is a number in this cell? No. Is a number in this cell below? Ah, yes. Is this cell empty? Is blank? Yes, but if there is a y in, the cell isn't empty. So this was the additional task mixture 1. I hope you had fun, and I hope to see you also on the other videos on this channel. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comments. See you. Bye.